How to divide integers. In dividing integers, the answer is positive if we divide like signs. So positive and positive is positive, negative and negative is also positive. However, if we divide unlike signs, then the answer will always be negative. For example, we have negative and negative sign. So the answer for this is positive, and 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Now we have positive and positive, so the answer is positive, and this is also equal to 3. This time we have unlike sign. So the answer for this will be equal to negative 3. How to multiply integers. In multiplying integers, the answer is positive if the integers have exactly the same sign. Otherwise, the answer is negative if the integers have different or opposite signs. In other words, positive times positive is equal to positive. Negative times negative equals positive. Positive times negative equals negative. Negative times positive is negative. For example, what is negative 2 times negative 3? This is negative, so the answer should be positive. 2 times 3 is 6, so the answer is positive 6. How about this one? Positive 2 times positive 3. This is positive, so the answer is positive 6. And the last one is negative 2 times positive 3. So negative and positive is negative. So the answer should be negative 6. How to add integers. In adding integers, first we look at the sign of the integers. If the integers have the same sign, we simply add the numbers and copy the sign. For example, negative 3 plus negative 2. Since the sign of the integers is the same, then we simply add the numbers. That is, 3 plus 2 equals 5, and then simply copy the sign of the integers, which is negative. How about 3 plus 2? Similarly, since the sign of the integers are the same, which is positive, then we simply add the numbers. That is, 3 plus 2 is also 5, and then copy the sign of the integers, which is positive. What if the signs of the integers are different? If the signs are different, then simply subtract the bigger number to the smaller number, and then copy the sign of the bigger number. So in this case, 3 minus 2 equals 1, and 3 is the bigger number. So the sign for this is negative 1. How to subtract integers. In subtracting integers, we simply change the sign of the subtrahend and then proceed to the addition rule of integers. For example, what is negative 3 minus negative 2? What we need to do is to change the sign of the subtrahend, which in this case, the subtrahend is negative 2. So negative 2 will now become positive 2. And then we copy the minuend, which is negative 3, and then proceed to the addition rule of integers. By the addition rule of integers, this will give us negative 1. So make sure to watch the part 1 of this video to know how to add integers. Okay, how about negative 3 minus positive 2? Again, we change the sign of the subtrahend, which in this case, the subtrahend is positive 2. So positive 2 will now become negative 2. Copy the minuend, which is negative 3, and then proceed to the addition rule of integers. And again, this will give us negative 5.